Welcome to our tutorial on how to add a GIF to your story on Snapchat with the latest updates. Let's dive into the steps together. To get started, open the Snapchat app on your Android device, unlocking the ability to enhance your stories with animated GIFs. Capture a new photo using the camera feature within Snapchat, or select an existing photo from your device's gallery to serve as the canvas for your story. Once you've chosen the photo you wish to enhance, tap on the stickers icon located at the top of the screen to access the stickers and GIF options. Select the GIF of your choice by tapping on it, adding a touch of movement and creativity to your photo. Tap on Stories at the bottom of the screen to seamlessly share your photo with the added GIF as part of your Snapchat story, allowing your friends to view your unique content. Tap Next, and then Share to post your photo with the GIF to your Snapchat story, making it visible to all your followers and creating an engaging visual experience. By following these steps, you can effortlessly elevate your Snapchat stories by incorporating animated GIFs, making your content more interactive and visually captivating. Utilize these features on Snapchat to inject creativity and fun into your stories, enriching your social media presence with vibrant and exciting visuals. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. We hope it has been informative in illustrating how to add a GIF to your story on Snapchat with the latest updates. Start sharing your animated stories and captivating your audience with your creativity today.